We want to access some website, but we first have to type in a captcha. This is always extremely annoying. However, when you start earning money with it, it suddenly becomes a lot more exciting. Actually, you can earn up to $3,000 with it. Before we get into that, welcome back to your online money traffic. In today's video, we'll discuss how to make money online by typing captcha. Watch till the end and put on your notification. How captchas work and how you can make money with them. I am sure that if you are reading this article, you have at least a basic grasp of how the internet operates. In addition, you must have a profile on social networking sites such as Facebook, Gmail, Yahoo, and others to be considered legitimate. It is probable that you have encountered captcha when registering for any websites on the internet. In order to assure that no automated bot or program is permitted to join their website, they have implemented this human verification test. Consider the following two unique instances to have a better grasp of the concept. In addition to the hundreds of websites that exist on the internet, there are a considerable number of businesses that require huge numbers of registrations on a regular basis. They can create automatic software to sign up for websites, but there is no technology available at this time to answer captchas without the need of a computer. At this stage, users are needed to solve the captchas that have been presented to them. Their program comes across captcha when establishing accounts on various sites, and it sends the picture of the captcha to the captcha solver. These puzzles require you to type the exact characters displayed in the image within a limited period of time, and you must be incredibly precise in order to complete them successfully. And it is in this environment that you may earn money from these online jobs while remaining in the comfort of your own home and without having to make any financial commitment. It is possible to work from the comfort of your own home while solving captchas, which is a wonderful online data entry job. It is possible to join up to work as a captcha solver on some of the most popular websites and to earn between 50 cents and $2 for every 1,000 captchas you correctly answer. In order to make additional income, many of the people who have worked on these sites have done so from the comfort of their own homes. As a consequence, you may be able to generate money from these online jobs without having to make any financial investments. If you are interested, then check these 8 sites we show you today. Join them one by one and start solving the captchas. By the way, have you ever thought of making money with captchas? Let us know in the comments section down below. Megatypers. Megatypers is one of the most popular online labor websites, and you may earn anywhere from 45 cents to $1.50 for every 1,000 word images you create on the site, depending on your experience. The vast majority of data entry employees on this website earn up to $2,500 a month through this platform, according to the company. Megatypers will pay you using a variety of options, including PayPal, WebMoney, PayZup, and Western Union, to name a few. ProTypers. ProTypers is a conglomeration of data entry experts that have banded together to establish a single entity. Captcha images on this site, which is identical to the previous one, may earn people as much as $200 per month if they complete them. ProTypers is a global community of individuals who originate from all corners of the globe. Captcha work at Bablo. Bablo.com has been providing internet jobs from home for more than 5 years, and many of the people who have worked for them have reported that they have received their payments on schedule. It is possible that they will pay up to $1 or perhaps more for every 1,000 captcha images that are entered into the system. For the purposes of determining which staff are the most productive and which are not, Bablo.com utilizes a rating system. The greater the degree of accuracy that you exhibit, the more money you will make in the long run. To begin earning money on this platform, you will need to put in a little more effort initially, but with time, you'll be able to land a highly profitable position on the platform. FastTypers.com. In order to recognize and reward their diligent employees, FastTypers pays them up to $1.50 for every 1,000 captchas successfully completed on their website. The rate at which captchas are solved will be faster during the night hours, especially between the hours of 12 a.m. and 5 a.m. because of the increased demand. Their blog will keep you up to date on the most recent advancements in their service offering. To captcha. As a bonus, you'll receive incentives for completing more difficult captcha pictures in addition to the $1 you receive for each one you successfully answer. Another way to make money on the site is to use the referral system, which is free to use. When you first start working with captcha, you'll be able to view your profits on the company's website. Cashing out is possible if your balance exceeds $1 using the PayZa service. QLink Group. Q-Link Group pays its workers on a weekly basis rather than bi-weekly. A 2-word captcha service is used, and the words are case-sensitive, so use caution while entering them. It is required that you complete at least 800 captchas per ID per week for each ID in order to be eligible for a payout. Captcha Typers. The Captcha Typers website employs thousands of workers all around the world, many of whom make upwards of $2,000 per month by completing captchas for its clients. To find out more about how to join this site, send an email to captchatypers@gmail.com and you will be supplied with your login details free of charge. In order to prevent having your session timed out, you must type fast and properly, else your session will be restricted for 30 minutes. Their exchange rate varies depending on the time of day. During the hours of 9 p.m. and 9 a.m., you can get the most competitive pricing. You may get the most recent version of the Captcha Typers software from the website. Picks Profits. One other good source for online captcha solving employment is a website that provides higher pay rates for every 1,000 captchas that are successfully solved. In addition, it has already been reported that new registrations to the site have been temporarily suspended. The site must be visited often in order to determine whether or not the registration process has been restarted. Also, make sure to write your thoughts on Picks Profits and all the other sites in the comments section. Virtual Bee. You may find captcha jobs as well as other types of data entry jobs on this website, which is yet another excellent source of information. On the website, you may register as a keyer and then choose the job that you want to do from a list of options that is supplied. Depending on the quality and accuracy of the job, a captcha typer can earn between 4 cents and 8 cents for every 1,000 captchas successfully completed. You can get compensation in the form of a check, PayPal, or direct bank transfer, among other options. The employment of a captcha solver is not a low-wage job where you will make only a few dollars per hour. Put in at least 5 hours each day and you may earn anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 per month if you work hard enough. It is necessary to download software in order to complete some of the captcha work websites, and you will need to enter the captchas once you have logged into these software programs. Additionally, you must create an account on a payment processing website like PayPal, Payza, or another website before you join these sites in order to get your income as quickly as possible once you join. Testing all of the websites up to the point where you have the bare minimum balance is necessary, and you must analyze some of the elements, such as who pays genuinely on time, where you are more comfortable working, and where you can earn more money in a shorter period of time must be completed. As a matter of fact, several freelancing platforms such as Freelancer.com, Upwork, and others allow you to look for captcha entry employment of this nature. This type of employment is advertised on a regular basis by a significant number of companies on the site. I am hoping that this video may be of benefit to those who are not looking to generate big sums of money right now. Working as a captcha solver is a wonderful online typing job for individuals looking to make between $1,000 and $3,000 per month from the comfort of their own home. What do you think about these sites? Did you know you could make as much as $3,000 per month with captchas? Let us know in the comments section. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you had fun watching it. Give us a like if you did and subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Also, activate the bell to make sure you definitely won't miss any of our future videos on making money online. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.